Integrating the Rocket Money Android app is a straightforward process that helps users track their expenses and stay on top of their finances. To begin, download and install the Rocket Money app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app and create an account or login if you already have one. The first step is to link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. This allows Rocket Money to track your transactions and provide a comprehensive picture of your spending. To do this, navigate to the Accounts section and select the Add Account option. Choose your bank or credit card provider from the list and enter your login credentials. Rocket Money uses encryption and secure servers to protect your data, so you can be confident that your information is safe. After linking your accounts, the app will begin to track your transactions and categorize them into different areas such as food, transportation, and entertainment. You can also add manual transactions if you need to track cash expenses or other items that are not linked to your accounts. To do this, navigate to the Transactions section and select the Add Transaction option. Enter the date, amount, and category of the transaction, and the app will update your spending totals accordingly. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to set budgets and track spending. To set a budget, navigate to the Budget section and select the category you want to track. Enter the budget amount and the app will provide a visual representation of your spending and remaining balance. You can also set alerts and notifications to remind you when you are approaching your budget limits. In addition to tracking spending, Rocket Money also provides tools to help you save money and reduce unnecessary expenses. The app will identify areas where you can cut back and provide personalized recommendations for saving. You can also use the app to track your savings goals and stay motivated to reach your targets. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to regularly review and update your accounts and transactions. This ensures that the app has the most up-to-date information and can provide accurate spending totals and budget tracking. You should also take advantage of the app's reporting features, which provide a detailed breakdown of your spending and help you identify areas for improvement. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by Rocket Money, you can take control of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. The app is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it accessible to anyone who wants to improve their financial management skills. With Rocket Money, you can track your spending, set budgets, and save money, all in one convenient and secure app.